purchase order lines. When creating an association in ECO, you are not guaranteed the order in which the objects at the end of the association will be presented. For this reason, ECO provides a Boolean ordered property on association ends. When you set ordered equals true in your model and then generate your database, ECO will create an additional column in your database identifying the sequence of the objects. I have just been creating SalesInvoice/SalesInvoiceLine classes and chose to have an ordered association, basically because it is standard industry practice to identify each line of an invoice/order with a sequential number, making it easily identifiable when discussing it. It would have been nice if I could have used an OCL derived attribute with an expression similar to this.SalesInvoice.lines -indexOf self, but unfortunately OCL doesn't seem to have a way to find the index of an object in a collection, so I had to resort to writing a code-derived attribute. First I marked the attribute as derived, and didn't enter any derivation OCL for it. Then I added a public method to the class with the following signature: public int 32 line number derive and subscribe, iSubscriber re-evaluate subscriber, iSubscriber resubscribe subscriber. Finally, the code for the attribute had to do the following: subscribe to the sales invoice property. The object has no sales invoice. Return -1 subscribe to SalesInvoice.lines. Return the index of this object in SalesInvoice.lines. Public int 32 line number derive and subscribe, iSubscriber re-evaluate subscriber, iSubscriber resubscribe subscriber. As I object, properties SalesInvoice.subscribe to value, resubscribe subscriber. If this.SalesInvoice equals null, return -1, else SalesInvoice. As I object, properties lines.subscribe to value, resubscribe subscriber. Return this.SalesInvoice.lines indexOf this +1. For an explanation of the difference between re-evaluate and resubscribe, take a look at this article.